In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to multiple projects in Asana. Asana, as many of you know, is a fantastic tool for managing your team's work, projects, and tasks online. It makes collaboration simpler and is incredibly versatile. Let me show you just how versatile it is by walking you through the process of adding a single task to several projects. To get started, log in to your Asana account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all your projects are beautifully laid out in front of you, ready to set you into action. The next step is selecting the specific project you're interested in. Click on that project, and you'll be taken directly into its details. You'll find all the tasks that comprise that project laid out neatly in front of you. Once you're inside your project, you have two choices. You can either browse through your existing tasks to find the one you want, or you can go ahead and create a brand new task if that's what suits your needs. After you've either selected or created the task you wish to add to other projects, there's something you'll need to look for: the three little dots located at the top right of the task pane. Consider these dots your gateway to a world of more options and functionalities. When you click on these three dots, a menu will appear, offering a variety of options to explore. In this menu, one option we're particularly interested in is the Add to Another Project feature. This option is designed specifically to help you add your task to other projects efficiently and effectively. Upon clicking Add to Another Project, you'll be greeted by a list of all your projects. Here, you get the opportunity to choose the additional projects you want this task to appear in. Simply click on the project you're interested in, and just like that, the task will be added. If you want to add it to more than one project, don't worry. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. And with that, you've successfully added a task to multiple projects in Asana. This feature is incredibly useful for tasks that span across different areas of your work or team responsibilities. It ensures everyone involved has visibility and access to the task without the need to duplicate work. Managing your tasks efficiently can dramatically improve your productivity and ease the stress of juggling multiple projects. Asana's flexibility with tasks is just one of the many features that make it such a powerful tool for team collaboration and project management. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can streamline your workflow even further.